What is up guys, this is your boy Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video, we are going to learn how to find square roots of numbers using Python. So there are two ways you can go with this. The first one is you find out the square root using the math module that is available by default in any Python version. And the second one is by using the double asterisk operator that we use to find the power in this example over here. Here we use the double asterisk to do a number raised to power. In square root, we will use the double asterisk to do a number raised to 0.5. So let's go ahead and write our program. From math, I will import square root, and from random import randint. For I in range 5, number is equal to randint of, let's say, 100 to 400. Print so here I'm going to put square root and put the number inside it. It will directly calculate the square root, and the same statement I will copy paste and do a double asterisk, and in this case I will say number double asterisk 0.5. This is going to make it easier to read. We will see both of these in use. So let's run this right now, and you can see every answer is the same using any of these methods, and these are random numbers that is being generated, and we are able to find its square root. So I think that is it for this video guys. The math module is pretty fun, so I'm going to make some more videos on this math module, but I will see you guys in the next video.